In this video of the CMMME Prima, we're going to go through how to use and wire up a relay in conjunction with the CMMME Prima for operation of either solenoids or anything that requires a basic on-off function. So here, as you can see, we've got the CMMME Prima. We've then got an input toggle switch and then also the wiring for the relay. To go into this, we're using an 8-way relay here. You can use 1, 4, 8, 16 or even a 32 if you wanted to. On a typical relay, this is a 5-volt relay because the Prima powers 5 volts. You've got your ground and your positive on the outsides, and then your insides are your input pins for each individual relay. So to wire that from Prima, your ground would go into the black pin here, and the positive would go into the red pin next to it. And then at the back here, we've then got currently 4 output pins that go from here into the relay inputs. These are coming off your PWM. So to emphasize, to power your relay, you need your ground and your voltage, your plus, that is powered from the red and black pins correspondingly, and then your inputs that go into the relay are powered off your PWMs here. So if we toggle the toggle switch here, you'll notice that the relays change correspondingly. Note here we've got multiple relays acting off the same input switch, which I'll show in the configuration in a moment, and we've got one point motor power pi, an external 12-volt power supply that then throws the relay correspondingly. So to go to the configuration page of Prima, you notice that the first 4 are set as relays. That gives us a basic on-off function. Again, we're only using DC, so push button here. However, we could assign DCC address to replace the push button and have the same functionality. We've then got buttons that we're using. So as mentioned previously, we have a toggle switch in place at the moment that has a off-off functionality with ground in the middle there. So we've actually got 2 buttons based off the same physical switch. Note all that are set to throw, close, and close throw there as well. So as we throw that switch, some will turn off and some will turn on. You can obviously just have one switch operating one relay pin, or you can have the one relay, the one switch controlling all the outputs.